Hi everyone, I'm Professor Hall. Welcome back to English 123. We are at week 4, which is our halfway point. So this week you'll have the opportunity to see what everyone else is working on. This is one of my favorite weeks. It's interesting and it's helpful to see the work of your peers. I think you can learn a lot from others, and also you kind of get a little bit of a mental break. It's a little bit of time away from that first project. In MindEdge, you have 2 assignments to complete before doing the peer review. Again, please make sure that you do them. The first is an outline. Here, you're basically copying and pasting portions of your writing plan. There's a box for the introduction, one for the body, one for the refutation, one for the conclusion. You can just put portions of your writing plan in here, or, and this is my recommendation, take time to actually start the essay, because once we get to next week, the whole thing is going to be due, and a lot of times people struggle with getting it done in that amount of time. So copy and paste what you've got so far if you want. It's just kind of an exercise to show that you're still working on it. There's also drafting prep, which has a few questions asking about the process, what you feel confident with, what you think you might struggle with, that kind of thing. Then we have peer review. Copy and paste the writing plan from module 3. So take last week's stuff and put it right into your post. Please make sure that you post early, but you do need to get it in by Thursday. Then you're looking at least one other post from another student. When you go in, please make sure that you look first to see if there's anybody who hasn't gotten feedback yet, because I'm hoping that everybody can get some help from someone. How can they overcome the challenges or objections that their audience might have? What is their overall argument? Talk about the ways that they can improve. What evidence would convince you as a reader? All of those questions are in that prompt, so make sure that you answer those. My recommendations for the peer review are to be kind and to be specific. It's an academic environment, not an online forum, and sometimes people kind of forget that. So just give feedback, help the person make a stronger project. I have a great guide for you to help with peer review, so I'll be sending that out later in the week. But that's it for now. Again, really and truly, the MindEdge stuff for this week and even the peer review won't take you that long. Once other people post, maybe 20 minutes to read over and comment back to them, the real thing that you should be doing this week, in my opinion, and this is just from teaching this class for a couple of years now, I really recommend that you try to work on starting your argument, because as I said, next week we're doing the whole thing all in one, and it can get overwhelming for people sometimes, and then I don't want you guys to get bogged down. So take the opportunity this week to get started. That's it. If you have questions, just let me know. Thanks, everybody.